लेट मी डू इट। वो भी करेंगे, साथ साथ करेंगे।
और क्या साथ साथ करने का इरादा है?
मेरा फेवरेट शो शुरू हो रहा है, साथ साथ देखें।
इस गर्मी के मौसम में कब पावर आएगी कब जाएगी क्या पता। How sad.
इसलिए तो वी गार्ड का नया स्मार्ट इन्वर्टर लगवाया है, कितना पावर बचाए सब बताता है।
Very smart.
आओ नॉन स्टॉप एंटरटेनमेंट करें हम, तुम और वी गार्ड स्मार्ट इन्वर्टर्स।
About this microphone on stage.
The members of the Seng Khasi Kmie had approached the government, had met me personally, and had proposed to put up this particular Indigenous cultural center. And that was the beginning of the process of being able to reach this point where today we are finally laying the foundation for something which I believe is going to be truly amazing. And I say that because I am a very strong proponent when it comes to preserving the culture, preserving our way of life, preserving our history, and celebrating it. And the reason is because that is who we are. That is our identity. That is what makes us who we are and also differentiates us from others. And we are so fortunate that not just in Meghalaya and not just in the northeast part of the country, but India as a whole is such a beautiful and a diverse nation. And hence, from 2018 onwards, it has been the endeavor of our government to continue to support, provide infrastructure, have different programs in order to promote, preserve, and as I said, celebrate the culture and diversity of our state.